All you need is passion. If you have passion for something, you will create the talent. The most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul on fire. Allow your passion to become your purpose and it will one day become your profession. People with great passion can make the impossible happen. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you should have the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. We must act out passion before we can feel it. Nothing is as important as passion. No matter what you want to do with your life, be passionate. You have to be burning with an idea or a problem or a wrong that you want to right. If you are not passionate enough from the start, you will never stick it out. If you feel like there is something out there that you are supposed to be doing, if you have a passion for it, then stop wishing and just do it. If you don't love what you do, you won't do it with much passion. The most wonderful thing in the world is somebody who knows who they are and they knows who they were created to do. Your dreams are more powerful than the facts and reality. There is great purpose behind that passion. Pursue it with everything you have. You should not become what happens with you, but what you choose to become. The best feeling in the world is getting paid for what you love to do. So do what you love and follow your passion. Follow your dreams, follow your passion, but most of all, follow your heart. When you attach passion to your dream, you get yourself closer to achieving it. Dreams really do come true when passion awakes inside you. Follow your passion, be prepared to work hard and sacrifice. And above all, don't let anyone limit your dreams. History shows us that the people who end up changing the world was following their own passion. Living the dream is simply a form of living your passion. The biggest mistake people make in life is not trying to make a living at doing what they most enjoy. True happiness comes to those who dare to live out their passion, no matter what anyone else tells them. Dream more than others, think practical. Expect more than others, think possible. Care more than others, think wise. A year from now, you may wish you had started today. So start now, just right now. Thank you.